You had your cigarette?
Hey?
You had your cigarette?
I just got money out.
Hey? Hey, look, here comes Zippy.
Here comes the flying angel.
What way do you go? Up this way or down?
I go up and then I turn left to Western Road.
Oh, yeah.
Wait for the bus there.
Oh, right, okay. Look.
Sometimes they go there by the station, sort of 10 by 7.
Oh, right, okay, yeah.
And then I have a
You have what?
half an hour before I get home.
Oh, yeah. Well.
Takes me so far, it's good.
I thought that was a mask. It looked like a mask, you know.
A bit, from a different angle.
Yeah, no, yeah. Can't see, it's too dark. Look, Steve's wandering. Look, he can't get out there fast enough to the other. He wants to go to the other machine place because he says the machines are going. What?
People wearing that shit.
What is it?
Look at it, look.
Oh, what that?
One piece suit. Yeah, look at them.
Yeah. Oh, they a £5.
I know.
I mean, it ain't like much, is it? I mean, it ain't much money, is it? I mean, a £5. I don't know if you can see it. He's talking about these. Only a £5. Well, I wouldn't know. I don't wear them like you. Huh?
Those tassels should be on the nipples.
Where?
Oh, look.
Can't see it hardly. £5s. They're
I don't see
£5s.
anyone wearing any of that.
Eh?
That's only a £5, but I see them pretty.
Oh, they do at the weekends, don't they? Look, Zippy's zipping.
I thought you said I was Russian.
No, I said you're Russian.
I'm Russian.
Yeah, I said you look like you're Russian.
All right, comrade.
Yeah, look, he's realised where you're going. He's going to the machine before you. He's banned from there.
Is he? Oh,
yeah. For sitting around just writing.
Yeah, no. He wouldn't get away with it up there, would he?
Eh?
He wouldn't get away with it in here.
Well, I don't know why. There's a load of space. It's not like he's taking up much
it's
space.
not as though it's like, no, I'm saying.
Ain't like crowded and you're in the way.
He's in there just for a bit of enjoyment.
There's all flashing lights up there, isn't there?
I say, if he's in there enjoying himself,
Yeah.
even though he's not putting a load of money in, what difference?
He still
There's
spends.
no one else there.
Listen, he still spends 40 or 50 quid some days.
No, I said,
Loses
there's
it.
no one else there, you know what I mean? So I don't see why they worry about it. You know, this place says play the machines for
even
fun.
if he nicks a sandwich or two, it ain't nothing, is it? And you lose 20s or 30s quid, you know what I mean? I mean, we can't understand why they barge you. You know, like even if you take a sandwich, if it was, where you going? Oh, see all that flashing is, a lot of it.
Yeah, oh, well, it is. Yellow lights.
Huh? What's the yellow light mean?
Oh, the buses are not on
Yeah, see, there's all flashing lights up there. Yeah.
We're going to go in here for the first time for about 5 weeks.
Yeah.
Hasn't it?
No, I've been in here.
Nearly 6 weeks. No, I haven't been in here for 6 weeks.
Eh?
I haven't been in here since you got...
Let's take a picture of you entering the yeah. You'll see him going in, and in about a minute they'll throw him out. You see him coming out. Yeah. Look, he's going. Look, he's going to fart, yeah. Oh, what are you going to do?
No, I'm already fine.
Oh yeah. All right. Good night, all.